Small world.
I don't believe this. What are you doing here?
I thought Mr. Barr was coming out here to meet his Vegas connection. Maybe I could pick up some information about the guy, about the capital takeover, maybe. Never occurred to me you'd be here.
I told you I was planning on seeing Robert Barr today.
Well, you didn't say you were going to do business on his yacht.
He wanted to see the oil and property holdings. You know what happened the last time he came out here with Kelly.
Yeah? Did you notice all the elaborate preparations? I thought those were for the big boss man. Turns out all the champagne, the caviar, that's for you.
Yeah.
Kennedy here, sir. It seems we're about to have a visitor. A helicopter's been spotted off the port bow.
Can you tell who's in it?
Not yet, sir. Only that there's at least one person besides the pilot. I'm trying to make contact with him by radio, but so far no response.
Well, keep trying.
Hey, man, look. I told you to invite him out here.